Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I'm giving you guys naughty school teacher vibe right now. It's been a long morning. I've been up early, got the kids breakfast, and Babe and I and Tyler had some fun washing the carpets outside.
More! It's so pretty. I love it. I'm just scrubbing up them.
These boys out, man. You're having way too much fun. And while the carpets were going, I was also cooking. Just oxtail though, because I didn't want to cook any rice and peas. Whenever I cook rice and peas, if I don't have visitor, it's in the fridge for the entire week because we don't really eat rice much. So that's what's been up, and then when I finished doing that, I took down my braids and washed my hair. So I just finished doing that and got myself some lunch, Babe and I. And now I'm gonna jump on the computer and get some work done. Pew, honey child, what a day it's been. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Yes, Tyler, good morning.
Good morning, Effie. Good morning, Faith. Mama, your hair.
Tyler was talking when the battery finished. What were you saying?
I was saying your hair looks like a rasta.
Why you said my hair look like a rasta?
Because it's you wear like a dot.
At the front?
You wear like that, like the rasta is like that, except it's on the front.
Oh, and the rasta is all of their head is like this, right?
Yes.
That is so true. He said my hair front look like rasta, which is kind of right. I just finger coiled my hair. Look at Sarah. Lord have mercy. I put something to block her and she just move it. The front I just wind it around my finger and that's it. Look at her. She's gone where I don't want her to go. You guys see her?
No,
Let's go catch her.
Just
She's gone. She's gone. You see her? She's gone.
I see her. She's going in your room. She's just going in your room, Mama. She's just going in.
Go get her. Huh? I didn't say you touch anything. Can you say good morning?
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Brady.
Sunday.
That's what's written on your back?
Yeah, that's Sunday. That's Sunday.
Oh, football day? You're crazy.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I unplug Sarah?
No, you and Sarah get out of the room. Bring her back here, please.
See my massage right?
No.
Both of them? Both of them, Mama?
Hey, little girl. You little girl. Where did you go? Where did you go? Huh? Say morning to the face. Look. Wait until she sees herself. Clap. She's gonna start clapping. Say morning. Morning. Morning.
Morning. Morning. Morning. Morning.
Come. You're too bad. Badass.
Pika. Pika.
Whoa! 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 I heard that. You hit your head. That's okay.
Pika. 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 Pika.
Don't climb up on me, man. I'm going to work. Go play. Go on. Go play with Tyler. Sarah is up from her nap. Tyler don't take naps anymore. So he's been up with Papa watching Tour de France. And I went to take a nap. Ah, you're wearing Papa hat? I went to take a nap. My body was just failing me. I couldn't stay up anymore. So I got to nap. And now I'm up and gonna get some work done. While babe has gone to relax a bit. You look like Papa. He's wearing his Papa hat. He's so funny. Sexy Miss Sarah.
Who's sexy Miss Sarah?
This little one. Sexy Miss. Hello.
Oh, Sarah did caca.
She did
and
caca?
Smell so stinky. Well,
The caca police never failed to figure it out until Mama that sister is doing poop. He said she does caca and it smells stinky. She does poop when it smells stinky. Sarah routine. Once she gets her bottle, this time she's literally a duck, no doubt. Watch her doing the no like me. No. Come here. No. Yeah, she put her finger out and go like this. No. No. Here I say no. I don't know if you guys catch that just now. No. No. I want her to do it so you guys can see her. Sarah say no. Sarah, no. Say no for Mama. She done about her business. And her can't play with Sophie. She broke up Sophie hand, foot, everything. This doll. You see? Sarah the Explorer. Sarah the Explorer.
I carry it.
Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's a brand new day in JA. You know I'm not in no J. Oh, who we have here? And who we have here? My tribe. Say, what do you say?
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Sarah, what do you say? Look.
Say
Say
wagwan.
morning.
No, don't say morning.
No, don't tell her that. She's not ready to learn Jamaican patois. Say morning. Hey, morning. Is my green juice she wants, you know?
She's looking at it.
That's what she's waiting on. You remember when Tyler was a baby like Sarah? This is how he used to wait on the green juice.
Looking at it.
The same way. Look at her. Look at her. More. More.
She's looking.
Here. Here. You guys, I'm up and about to head out to the school run with Tyler and Sarah. Sarah strapped on me. Tyler to go down the street. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now, and I am going to get back and get my workout in. As you guys can see, I'm already in my workout attire. You guys know how I live by time management. Go, 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 go. In 10 minutes I'm out of here. Stop being in here like that. You're messing it up.
I want to tell something to say.
Okay, go ahead.
You know why Mama is doing her workout dress and she didn't start to work out as yet?
Okay, they say why?
Because to make me go to school is the first warm-up job that she's going to do.
Oh, it's the warm-up. It's the first warm-up.
Yes.
Oh, you're so smart. Who told you that?
No, you. One day we was going on and you had your workout shoes and I say, why did you have that? And you say like that you can be comfortable.
That's true. So
Sarah,
take.
Kaka.
I know. So taking you to school is Mama warm-up.
Yes.
Mhm.
Not only running on the mat.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss a
Mama,
video.
want to say something else.
Okay.
And if you're in the space, enjoy all the planets.
He said, and if you're in space, enjoy all the planets. Anyway, you guys, we're heading out right now, so we'll catch you guys later with everybody again. Don't do that.
Look around my mouth.
Say later. Say bye-bye.
Later.
Say bye-bye.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Mama, I'm saying later.
All right.
Later.
I'm gonna get Sarah change. Baby's getting his workout in via personal trainer male on the phone beside him. Clap, clap, man. That's it, man. Come on, let's go. You can't escape my voice, don't it? You're doing good. Come on. Put your hand, no, honey, your palm supposed to be, stop, hold on to the thing and put your hand flat. Flutter fast and lower than that.
Ah!
Yes, boy. Yes, boy. You can do it. Feel that burn, boy. You're doing good. Oh, she's a little goodie. Oh, dear little goodie. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. got back from the supermarket, fruits and vegetables supermarket to be exact. Just pick up a few little fresh stuff that I was running out of, not a lot. So I'm not going to even let this stay until Tyler come home for Tyler to do the haul with me. It's just a little bit, so I won't let it stay until Tyler come home. I'm just gonna show you guys a few of the things that I pick up. So I got some kiwi to last for the week. I got a few bananas so that we can have banana and some to make the famous muffin. And I got celery because I'm running out of celery to make my green juice in the morning. And I saw tangerine. It's tangerine season. You know, something I always mark when tangerine is in season is that it's Christmas time, because I used to have an auntie Vadney. Every time around Christmas time and we go to her house is never out of tangerine. So that's what I use to mark tangerine. Christmas is near, it's Christmas time. Year finished. And I got one avocado. Avocados that I've been buying lately. And I got carrot to make my girl food. And I got zucchini, mainly for Sarah, to make Sarah's food. I got a few apples. And last I got lemon. And I got cucumber. So those are all the things that we pick up just now. And Sarah reached home just in time for her nap. So she's done for a nap. And of course, you guys know Tyler is at school. So I'm going to try and get as much work done right now before Sarah wakes up from her nap.